Tectonic token has been one of the coins that started good. People were like, wow, a lot of people were talking about Tectonic token, but after some time, the social media engagement for Tectonic token really dropped, and of course, we saw Tectonic token really about for a period of 3 to 4 months, this coin was not doing well. Before later, at the last month, Tectonic token started again to start regaining itself, and since then they've actually gotten about 2 more listening. Now this coin is trading with about 6 zeros, and I believe that 1 cent is still possible for Tectonic token. Okay, and they have about 500 trillion supply. They have about 500 trillion supply. So there's, for me, killing 5 zeros and then reaching 1 cent, definitely that's the dream of so many people, because you might become a millionaire with Tectonic token at 1 cent. Tonic at 1 penny. Wow. Because when we say stop dreaming, oh yes, of course, this is crypto. They will say stop dreaming of this. But remember, there are some coins that have actually done this in the past. So don't neglect any coin. But right now, I think in terms of profit, Tonic can give us some profit. We can make good profit from Tectonic token because they are one of the coins that have good project, they have good plan, good statistics, and I think that this year, before the end of this year, if Tonic can get at least 5 to 7 top listening, okay, making it about that should be 9 or 10 total listening before the end of 2023. I'm telling you that Tonic can kill 3 zeros in the nearest future. Tonic can destroy half of its zeros, which, if you do your own mathematics, if you do a calculation based on this, deleting 3 zeros at the time of recording this, it means that you are making 100,000% now. And there's a lot of money, because imagine me putting in $100 and someone is telling me I have $1 million. That is a lot of money. Or you're putting in $10 and someone is telling you that you have about $10,000. So that's a lot of money. So for me, I think yes, Tonic still remains one of the best, even though they are exploiting a lot of things. And at the time of recording this, according to CoinMarketCap, their market cap is about 36,662,502. And I believe that even though the price currently is trading at 0.000000163 is the current price of Tectonic token. The other time they actually increased to 7 zeros, and like I said, they just started recovering, and now they deleted 1 zero. They are back on 6 zeros. So in the next few years, I'm seeing this coin at a very high price. Okay, so another good thing is that Bitcoin, a lot of people believe Bitcoin before the next 3 years that the price of Bitcoin will be trading between $200,000 and $1 million. Now imagine Bitcoin at $200,000 BTC and $1 million. Wow. Yeah, so many coins will also rise, but that is going to be one of the biggest pump in the history of crypto industry. BTC at $200,000 to $1 million. Believe me, so many people will become millionaires, people buying cars and houses, investment here and there. Let's hope for the best, and I still believe that Tonic can still really do well. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.